not yet.
This little kid is going on my turf. Beat him up. Watch this.
Hey, get back here! Grab, watch it! What do you think you're doing? Yeet! Yeet! Now I'm about to drop kick this fool. Trying to run away? No, I don't think so. Yeet! I'm about to drop kick this fool. Watch this.
Oh my god.
See this? You think you can just go up on my turf? Sit on my joint, sit on my foot? But no. I'm about to drop kick this fool. Hey, watch this.
You didn't kick that.
I didn't drop kick.
Okay.
So I'm gonna drop instead of just kick. Watch this. Oh!